Okay, my peeps, let's make a mini s'mores pie. So I used this silicone mold and I just pressed in some dough colored clay into the edges and made a cute little pie crust. I let it dry overnight, and then this is caulk, Mod Podge, and paint, and I'm just filling up my little pie crust with that mixture. Now you don't want to overfill it, you just want to get it right up until that edge right there, you know, where it looks like a filled up pie, but you don't want to get it up too high. Then I took it and I tapped it to get rid of the little air bubbles and also to level it out. Now you gotta let that dry overnight. So I made these cute little like swirls of whipped cream with a mold, but I couldn't find my mold to show you guys, but it was made with a mold. And so I got some tacky glue and I just put some on the top, and I sprinkled a little bit of the sand that I got from Dollar Tree. And so now I'm going to just glue down the little swirls onto my pie with tacky glue. I'll post a link of the mold so you guys can see what mold it is. I actually had two of these molds and I couldn't find one of them. I don't know. I usually make these ahead of time and I just keep them around for when I need them. So I'm sorry I don't have to show it to you guys, but I will post a link to it. And then I got me a Teddy Graham and I'm just going to put him in the middle. You want to make sure you let that caulk mixture dry really well. So then I got my chalk pastels and I'm just trying to make the little what's supposed to be like the marshmallow part of the s'mores pie, and I'm just putting a little bit of brown on it to look like, you know, like it was toasted, and just a little bit on the edge of the pie. That's totally up to you. You don't have to do that part. I mean, you could do it with paint as well. Get you some like dark paint and just dry brush some on, and there go your pie. Simple, cute. You can make tons of these. Add it to your tier tray, your s'mores tier tray. We have so many things that we've made that was s'mores themed. If you haven't seen any of these, check out my channel and you can get a glimpse or a tutorial or a reel of how these were all made. Talk to you soon. Bye.